Hey folks, Lauren from Snowy's here, taste testing the Offgrid Tasty Green Lentils.
Hit it.
It's shelf-stable food that comes in an easy heat pouch, loads of flavours available, and it's fresh, not dehydrated. Hold up fam, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any awesome content on the Snowy's channel. Let's get into it. So the food pouch weighs about 300 grams of net food, with the package being about an extra 20 grams. It measures 22 centimeters tall by about 14 centimeters wide. And the thickness here really depends on the food that's inside, how squishable it is and whether you can spread it out the whole length, but maybe, a couple of centimeters, 2 or 3 centimeters or so. It's made of a really sturdy, or food safe heat resistant package here, because you do heat it in the bag. It's got a couple of tear points. You've got one up the top here and one further down. Which one you tear off would either depend on the meal and how full the bag actually is, whether or not you've got a long spoon or a short spoon or a utensil. The other thing to point out is that because it is wet food or fresh food that's sealed in a packet and isn't dehydrated, you don't have that sort of ziplock thing at the bag. So once it is opened and ready to eat, you do need to eat the whole meal or have something on hand that will allow you to store the food in your bag without it spilling. We do also have on the back of the packet here a rough description of what the meal is and an ingredients list. You've also got your nutritional information up here, some best before information down the bottom, and some information about how to prepare your meal. So your best before information, roughly around about these meals will be 12 to 15 months expiry date from the date of manufacture. So they are pretty generally shelf stable. So similar to the other staples like rice, the lentils are packed all the way to the top of the sachet. So you can probably squish it and punch it down and put it in your, your flash or other cooking setup that you've got, but I find it easier just to fully submerge these into the pot. So what I'm going to do is sort of break this up a little bit to ensure that I can get it all the way and that all the lentils on the inside are going to be covered, and just sit that in the pot. Ooh, hot water like so, and chuck the lid on. And now we're going to set the timer for 5 minutes and come back when it's done. So the timer's gone off. Rip off the top layer. The lentils are still, even when heated, they're filling all the way right up to the top of the bag. So I'm going to rip along this top tear point. Okay. So these are just plain cooked lentils. They don't have any flavour or anything like that. So they're a good sort of addition, maybe as an alternative to rice, or if you are having a curry or a bolognese or some sort of other meal with it, you could have it with rice or for a little bit of variance. Lentils generally, if you cook them often, that they can take a bit of time to soak at home, and then a bit even longer of time to cook. And it can be quite messy, ending up with stodgy water and things like that. So having essentially pre-cooked lentils that all you need to do is reheat is going to be pretty handy to have in your camp kitchen. And also, like with a lot of other off-grid ingredients, these lentils are also Australian grown, which is a plus, especially supporting Australian industry is important to you. They're actually really well cooked. They're not super mushy and they're not super hard either. So Offgrid have obviously done a good job of getting that right and factoring in that, sort of 5-minute cooking time, which does have the potential to turn it into mush. And I know it potentially doesn't look super appealing. And it is just plain lentils. There's no flavour or anything there, but they're cooked in brine. So the taste of them is actually pretty good. Say even just doing a Mexican mince or doing some sort of taco or burrito or Mexican bowl or something like that. These would be an excellent addition. Even in the place of something like refried beans, they're pretty tasty, and I'd be very happy having this combined with my camp meal or a hiking meal at the end of a long day for sure. that's about it for the tasty green lentils, because they are indeed quite tasty. You can get these along with other off-grid flavours at snowies.com.au.